and female like keep walking past and they're on our hill. And not that my parents are turning to look, but like he's fighting with her. And I'm saying,
you saw him put his hands on her? Like physical?
Yeah, like pushing her.
That's what I'm saying. Well,
Oh,
do you know which way they just went?
To the left.
Okay, I'll look for him. I saw them earlier walking. Thank you.
In the process of logging all that computer.
They are fighting actively. Put your hands behind your back.
No, wait, sir, what you doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Officer, what is you
Get
doing?
back! I saw him putting his hands on you.
We are playing. This
No,
is
ma'am.
not on
No,
the-
ma'am.
Sir, what
Get
are
away!
you doing? No.
Get away!
Sir, officer,
Get away! Get away! You're going to be arrested too. I'll
What
talk
is
to you
he
in a
doing?
second.
He's not harming
Get
me.
away,
We
and
are
I will talk to
playing.
you in a second.
Why you hurting? Sir,
Ma'am, if you don't stop, I'm going to arrest you.
why you have the
Step back!
He's not harming me.
Step back!
I'm telling you, he's
You're
not.
under arrest. It's no problem. Hey, put her in jail. Put her under arrest.
Stop. No, he wasn't doing anything like.
Stand up. Stand up.
Grand risings to you all. First, I would like to say thank you for your comments and your concerns on my video of Walking While Black when me and my dude was arrested on April 20th, 2022. We dropped off my truck to get service so I can go back to Louisiana to get ready for my sister's funeral, who was murdered a few days before. We took my truck to this shop in Noonan so we can get it tuned up or whatever to get ready to get on the road. Instead of, you know, us just sitting at the shop, my old man decided he wanted to take me for a walk to keep me calm because I've been overly emotional, just emotional because I lost my sister. She was murdered. She was taken from me. From us, from the family, you know. And I had already been overly emotional. So as we were walking down the street, he wanted to love on me. He just wanted to make me smile. That man he never hit me. He never put his hands on me in a way to harm me. That man loved on me, hugged on me, and just wanted to make me smile. He never harmed me because I was hurting. And I didn't know by wanting to make me smile was a crime. I didn't know wanting to make your old lady feel better about what was going on in her life was a crime. That man never harmed me. But as we were walking back to go pick up my truck, this officer, as you see, drove across the intersections or whatever. Excuse me, y'all, because this makes me emotional. He drove across the intersection, and in the video you see me grabbing my old man, but what they don't see you is he jumping to me and me grabbing him, because this their video, it was altered, and I'm grabbing him because I thought we were about to get ran over by the officer. Okay, he just jumped out and he attacked him. Yes, and I'm upset because I'm already emotional from losing my sister. Now my old man is being attacked, so no, you know, my mind it's not there in this video, you know, because I'm hurting. I'm already in pain and I'm frustrated. And because of this, I did not get to see my sister in her casket, but I did make it to walk her, because I was one of her pallbearers, to walk her to her final resting place. I sat in jail from that Wednesday and did not get out until that Friday morning. No, that man didn't harm me.